Hello, Amber. Hope you're doing well. You asked me how you can make your website like coming soon or under construction mode. To do that, let's say if you have a WordPress site, you just need to go to plugin, add new plugin, coming soon. Just type coming soon, and you'll see different option. So many options either quick, but I always use this seed prod one. This one. And once you install, activate it, and it will ask you to get started. Then if you register, then you will get some free template. I'll just exit setup because I'm just showing you. So what you can do, um here you will see different option, coming soon mode, maintenance mode. So which one? Let's say you want to do that maintenance mode, and you click on setup maintenance mode page. And you can pick any style from here. If you just subscribe, it's a free. If you subscribe, you'll be able to get those template. Super cool and easy to use. So what I'll do, let's say I'll use my this, and I'll click get free template. Okay, I hope I got that. If I just reload the page, we'll see these options are available now. It's easy, super easy. You just need to put your email address because they're doing it free, but they want to collect your email, grow their email list. So you can either pick this one or this one. I'll go. I love this this balloon one, so I'll go there. And here, this is, let's say, photo. You can change your own logo or something from here. Um, so let's say this is this. By the way, this Happy to Nepal is my latest venture business thing which I'm doing. It's based in Nepal, and here you can put your contact us, and you can also put your email here, whatever email you want to keep. And yeah, so that's it. You can pick, you can choose color, and yeah, if you want to do something else, you can do. And yeah, once you click save and leave, you can do the preview even. So this maintenance mode active. So what I'll do, I'll just go to incognito mode and see what is the current look. So you can see this will be the that. So there will be a logo. It's ready. Or you can write and change this text, and there will be option like contact us, so they can email to you. You can change the background if you want even. So yeah, that's it. So now I'll just inactive the mode, and I'll go to see the page. Let's say you finished your editing and upgrade of your website, so then it will look as it is before. So this is it. Hope that makes sense, and let me know if you have any issue, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.